and welcome. Let's go step-by-step guide through the My Jumbula app so you can easily manage your family's information, schedules, and safety features. No technical knowledge is needed, just follow along. Once you open the app, you'll need to log in. Enter your email and password, or use the Google Sign-In option if you prefer a faster way to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen. From here, you can manage your family's details, schedules, and activities. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find three main buttons: Home, Calendar, and Profile. Home button. This shows your latest activity photos and everything that is happening today. Calendar button. This helps you view and plan schedules in day, week, or month formats. Profile button. This is where you can manage all family information, including children, guardians, and other safety features. Let's explore the Profile section in detail. Tap on Children to see the list of children added to your account. To add a new children, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and enter their details as required. You can also provide permission for photos or videos here. If you click on an existing profile, you'll see options to track attendance, including check-in and check-out times, and whether they are marked as present or absent. View enrollment details by tapping Enrollment at the top of the profile. This shows you your orders, which you can expand to see more info such as payments, forms, waivers, and installment details. Update medical information such as doctor details, allergies, medical conditions, or nut allergy settings. Keeping this updated ensures safety at schools. Go back to the Profile section and tap on Parents and Guardians. Each adult member in your family has a unique QR code and PIN for secure pickups. This ensures safety and accuracy during retrieval. To edit a guardian's profile, tap the Options button at the top right and select Edit and enter their details as required. To add a new guardian, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, fill out the required details, and save. You can also designate someone as the primary guardian here. To avoid repeating the same steps and keep the video concise, we won't go into full detail here. But just know that these sections follow a similar process. Under authorized pickups, you can add people allowed to pick up family members. Emergency contacts lets you add trusted individuals for urgent situations. And in the gallery, you'll find photos shared by schools or instructors. Using the home page. On the home page, tap on any activity to see detailed information. You'll find trend and status, including check-in and check-out times. Notes on whether someone is marked present, absent, or late. At the top of the activity details, you'll see a location icon. Tap this to view details of that program's address. From here, you can open it in navigation apps such as Google Maps or Waze for directions. This makes it easy to find the location. You can also tap on the calendar icon on the right to see all the sessions for this program. At the top of the homepage, there's a banner with photos from recent activities. Tap it to view the latest photos and download them easily. Calendar for scheduling. Tap the Calendar button at the bottom of the screen. This lets you view all scheduled programs. You can switch between day, week, and month formats for better management of your family's activities. This makes it simple to avoid scheduling conflicts and stay organized. That's everything you need to know about using the My Jumbula app. It's designed to keep your family organized and ensure safety every day. Whether it's tracking attendance, managing profiles, or checking schedules, everything is just a tap away.